like that. Here, get one of me candid laughing.
Yeah, it looks so candid.
I don't want to see them. Here, you want me? Do you want one of you guys going like this? Wait, we take both one of both of us. Woo! That seems great.
Yeah. We go now.
Wait, I have to make a review of this place.
What you want to do?
Okay, fine, let's go.
I love your glasses. I like red.
I need to pee.
Done? Done? Yeah, done?
Thank you.
Yep, let's go this way.
I told them that they couldn't bring all those belongings in here. They need to go to the parking lot.
There's a flower.
You guys done?
Yeah.
Các bé lấy được.
Sao đó? Uống không ấy? Nhưng mà không chứ. Okay, come on. Let's go. Hello.
Hey guys. People just got kicked out.
Oh my god, too many people. Look at. Không là tôi rồi hồi để xem.
Thế tôi rồi đấy ha.
Chúng nó chỉ cảm thấy đúng là tôi để xem. Tôi lấy đầy đúng coi nè.
Oh, chị Neil, tôi sai đấy tao tôi bé kìa.
Well, Mom, you don't know how bad they were talking bad about you.
No, they're talking bad about me?
No, not you, but the OG Hmong people.
Oh, were they talking about me?
Bunga cái giờ hổ này.
Hmong.
Ừ, bunga cái giờ sống hổ này.
Yeah, they put like clothes on.
Nó phải á.